Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to copy trade on Solana using Trojan Bot. So in order to do this, you first have to click on the link that I have given you in the description. It will allow you to have 10% less fees on Trojan Bot while you trade on this bot. So once you are on Trojan Bot, you will have to click on the start button. After clicking on the start button, you will be able to see various types of options over here. Now, if you are not aware of Trojan Bot, then I have created a full tutorial video on Trojan Bot. So you can go through that video first. You can check that out on my channel. And after that, you just have to start using it for copy trading. Now, once you are on the page, you will have to click on the copy trade option. Here, it will show you all of your previous trades, whether these are active or inactive. Now, as you want to add the new token or new wallet, so you will have to click on the new button here. Then you will have to click on the tag button and you will have to give your copy trade setup a name. So you can give any name to it. Let's say I give Solana copy trade. Then you just have to press the enter button. As you can see that in the tag it has taken the name. Then you will have to click on the target wallet button, and now it will ask you to enter a target wallet address to copy trade. So in order to find the target wallets, what you can do is you can simply open your web browser, and in the search bar you can type dexscreener.com. This will land you on the official website of Dex Screener. Now over here you need to click on Solana. Then you will be able to see various types of coins that are based on Solana, and you will also be able to see the trading volume. So you can click on the volume tab, and here you can select the coin with the maximum volume over here. After selecting the coin, you just have to scroll down a bit where you are going to see its chart as well as various tabs like transaction, top traders, holders, etc. So you will have to click on the top traders option, and here you will be able to see all of the top traders that are trading into this coin and are making good profits. You will be able to see in how much price they have bought this coin and in how much price they sold it. So in this list, you just have to select the trader whom you want to copy. After selecting the trader, you just have to click on this arrow button right next to their profile. So what this will do, it will redirect you on solscan.io, where you will be able to see their target wallet address. So this is the wallet address of the person who you have selected for copy trading. So you just have to click on this copy button, and once the address is copied to the clipboard, you will have to come back to Telegram again, and now you just have to paste the address in this section. After doing so, it will take your target wallet. Now it is asking you what will be your buy percentage. So if you want to keep it 100%, then it will automatically take the 100% amount of Solana from your account. So if you want to change it, then you will have to click on buy percentage, and after that you will have to enter the amount in the percentage. So let's say you want to have 10% of your wallet's amount in this trade, so you can set it as a 10%. If you want to copy their sellings as well, then you just have to check this box. Then if you want to set the buy gas, so you will have to click on the buy gas option and the sell gas option, and you can change the gas fees as per your convenience. Then we have the slippage option. So for buying, I would recommend you to keep the slippage at 15 to 20%. So in order to change it, you will have to click on the slippage option. After that, you will have to set it as, let's say, 15%. So you simply need to type 15% in this section. Then if you want to do the automatic selling, like when this person will sell the tokens, you want your selling to happen automatically, then you will have to click on this button, and once it turns green, it simply means that you have enabled the auto sell option. Now here you just have to click on the add button in order to add your position, and then you will be redirected on this page where you are going to see your active position, and the green button is showing you that your position is active. Now if you want to pause your positions, then you can click on the position all option, or if you want to resume them, then you can click on the trade that you have selected, and from here you just have to click on the post button in order to activate again. So this is how you can easily copy trade on Trojan Bot. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.